So this morning I was looking at the painting we recently did the frame for, and on each side of it there's some room there. I was thinking maybe I should do some design piece to hang up on each side. So that gave me the idea of using some of these diamonds and squares that I had made before, and I wasn't sure. I wanted to do some accent pieces, and maybe this is a good place for them. So I laid out one pattern. This is just one idea I had. And I want to do two, but they don't have to be the same, although they could be. And then I need some way of fastening them together, and I think the best way that I can think of is a 1/4-inch piece of Lawan, which I did save a bunch of paneling out, so I do have lots of that sort of thing. And I had this in the shop over on the side. I didn't even realize I had it there. So I'm going to do is pull this off and cut that down, sand the edges, make it into two pieces, because I need two anyways, just cut it in half, and then redo my design on top of that. And then from there we'll need to mark it out, and then we'll have to screw it in from the back side, which will be a little tricky, but I don't think it'll be too bad. Notice we have different thicknesses, so I may look through my diamonds and try to get some other thicknesses and kind of spread them out, so maybe I got some different levels, more dimension going on. Okay, so that's our accent piece project, and we're starting right now.